Yes, ladies and gentlemen, once again, let me introduce myself. My name is Israel Matseke Zulu, aka GP, my orange. Welcome to the podcast. You must subscribe, like, and comment. You have a right. Tell us who you want to see in the podcast. Allow me to introduce Akona Ndlovu, a brand new sensation on our screens. My brother, how are you?
Ngiyaphila bhuti omdala.
Hi, Asphile mfethu, Asphile. Thank you for coming to the podcast. We humble and we highly appreciate your presence. Thank you once again, and thank you very much.
It's an honor to be here.
Yeah, without wasting any time, let's go straight to the point. Who is Akona?
Ngamafuphi nje Akhona Ndlovu umfana omncane okhulele endaweni ekuthiwa iseMgababa. Emgababa eSouth Coast eThekwini.
eDurban.
Ukukhula kwami ngikhule khona laphayana ngifunda esikoleni ekuthiwa eSizibeni Comprehensive High School.
Comprehensive.
Isikole nje sabantu abamnyama.
Okay.
Then ngakhula khona I matriculated khona ngavaya ngaya eCreative Art College.
Okay.
Ngofezekisa izifundo zami tertiary, of which bengenza i-performing arts, diploma in-performing arts and production techniques. Ngafunda khona, and then I came to Joburg.
Okay.
And the rest was history.
Or you came to Johannesburg to make your dreams come true.
Definitely.
As Johannesburg, it's a destination for the many.
Yes.
More especially people who grow up. But Mgababa is not the farms.
It's more of Skomplaas.
Skomplaas.
Yeah, it's a mixture of ikasi nefarm at the same time. Awuqondi ukuthi Joburg.
How difficult it is for a boy like you coming to Johannesburg?
It was very difficult. I don't want to lie to you. Because what's in I started working in a retailer.
Okay.
No, restaurant.
Okay.
At Steers.
Okay.
Shama Bekada, Ngimile, yabo ngisebenza vacation eGreenland. And then there was this other time I decided to leave the job. Ngavaya ngaya Pick n Pay.
Okay.
So ngisipani Pick n Pay moli ngishaya ithili ngaleso sikhathi. Enjalo mengishaya ithili yabo ngiyeza ukuthi inhliziyo yami akusile into engiyifunayo. Kunalento le kuyiyona yona Hoodman kumele ukuthi ngiyenze. Shaya ithili ngisipana namandiya la. Ngibiza Anaconda, here's the customer. Umnandi nje yabo. Ngithathena ama-customer, ufuna uplastic, ngapha ngibuye ngishaya nama-lines nyana, ngahleka ama-customer kumnandi nje until ngeze ngibone ukuthi hayi akusisi isipani sami lesi. And then there was this other time I met this guy. This guy is a journalist.
Yeah.
Ukhosini FM, igama lakhe uQiniso Mbili. Athi lo mchita kimi, hey bro, unayi Instagram? It's hayi. Angikeni ukuthi operator kanjani le. Ngino Facebook, it's hayi, thuli Instagram impilo ngwana. It's kanjani? Athi lapha kunokuba nama live, yabo. Shaya ama live, ama actors shaya ama live, scout ama talent nana. It's serious, ungidownloadele. Fakele into zakho yabo. Hey, by the time ibingekho engqondweni yami yonke leyo nto, yabo. Hey, bear in mind ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi bengiqede college. Lapha ecollege bengishaya theater blind plan go Playhouse community festival.
Yeah, Playhouse.
Playhouse isambo abo ekhaya mathi art center. eKK by Babu Edmund Mshongo. Nabo stable theater, samba ma festivals. emva kwaleyo nto ukuthi siloku senza ama-theatre kanjalo ama-shows isipana sivuke yabo. Ngiyabona ukuthi lento ayikhophi i-theatre yaseThekwini ayikhophi. So ngiyabona ukuthi ngapha ngilongihlupha nasedladleni. Ngikhule namasistera. Unfortunately my mom and my father passed away.
Sorry for that. Condolences.
So kuba into kanjalo ngiqhubeka kanjalo lapho lo mjito uqinisa check-a tidings yabo. Ngicheck ngiqale ngifollow abantu yabo. I even followed you on Instagram. Yabo. Ngifollow abantu engibukela kubo because I loved acting. There was this other time I followed Mandla N.
Okay.
Hayi kudlula insukwana ikhulumanisha ama-auditions.
Mandla N
live on Instagram.
Okay.
Uya request baningi la. Uyaphika ukuthi ubani ufuna ungishayela ntwana yami ngiyabona la ba live abantu uyabaphika yabo ba request yabathatha. Ngithi ngiya request just imagine kwi live yakhe mhlawumbe kunabantu abawu650. Angiyasho ukuthi sengiya request nje kodwa ngiyasho ukuthi hayi ngeke azangincove. Engilele ebhedini so ngishaya ngeAfrika ngisihluza. I was so skinny. Yabo ngaleso sikhathi and I was drinking lezi zinto lezi amalini umuntu ebhema nensangu. Ukubone muye artist encane when you start to lose hope. Ukuthi hayi shoot lento ku-actor vele hayi. Vele nala emgababa nje akekho umuntu nje yabo oke waphiwapha yabo. So ngize ngirequest le out vele ngibhedeni ngiqhashi ngizama ukukhanyisa ugesi fast ngizama ukuyibeka ngasewindini ngivula amafama lo amakhethini ukuze kuvule umoya. Ahlupha network yahlupha nganye indlela ngisilaza ngiphike yapha yabo engishaya monologue. Then I did my monologue and he was like maybe he'll call you for callbacks, I'm not sure. Marantwana hayi yabonga uNtswembi isipani sakho ngesincane. So yeah.
Oh, that's how Mandla N came into the picture.
That's how Mandla N came into the picture.
Okay.
So kahlala futhi kwadlula isikhathi nje. There was this other lady Batudineo. She called me this other time, can you please come to Bryanston for callbacks?
Leso sikhathi usedebe.
Leso sikhathi ngisedebe. Angizange ngeze juice. In mind. Angaze ngeze juice yabo. Aleso sikhathi ngisebenza ePick n Pay. I-callback yakhona ikusasa ekuseni. Inyuka yokuthi ngivaye ngiyejuza anginayo indawo yokulala. So I had to pack izinto zami ngizifake egrand esikhwameni. Tshela iOledi ukuthi kusasa ngiyejuza. Uyolalaphi? Uyohlala kabani yakhona? Ithi hayi akhona amajita engwaziyo. Awekho amajita engwaziyo. Ngifonele enye out yami bathi uAction. uAction uhlala eDrillwall. eDrillwall it's opposite MTN rank. Kakuhlala amasosha kudala. It's more of i-shelter.
Okay.
Anyone just stays there.
Yeah.
So babhadala ku-Action per month babhadala irent engango-25 rand 30 rand. Ngitshela u-Action ukuthi yazi kunento njaka mjebula. Vele ngimazele eThekwini ushaya i-art nabe senza nayo i-theatre nani. Weze eGoli ngokuzozama and then wayibona ukuthi izinto zami aziveli kanye njengamahlelo embongo. Hayi ngifike la eJozi yabo. Ngifike eJozi angihlangabeze ePark Station. Fike ePark Station ngiphethe isikhwama ngiyaqalaza la kuyaphithizela yabo. Ngitshela ukuthi ngigqoka i-shirt le-vintage ndoda uzongibona mfethu yabo. Engibona umjita angihlangabeze sifaye sendlini mesifike ngithi siyofika mhlawumbe endlini Grootman ukuthi ngifike ngirelax yabo kunebed nana toilet.
Yeah.
Maybe over 40 wabantu yabo kuneyibhonji nani.
Yeah,
kunemidiyadi akugcwele.
Ngathi useSun City.
Action ngizogidla la izibone ndoda mfethu usufikile lana mfethu yabo. Ngifike ngibeka isikhwama sami ngithi ukuphumula kancane. Ngifundela ama-lines wabo bangigaye i-script for i-callback.
Okay.
Ngivuke ekuseni ngiphelezele le out le sivaye siBryanston yabo. owangishiya etekisini athi hayi uzongifonela uma usubuya ngikuhlangabeze, just like indlela owenze ngayo, reverse psychology. Ayingivange khona. Ngifika khona kunamajita la kugcwele azele for ama-Colbert, wonke umuntu uzodlala uHerbert, mhlawumbe lamajita awu-15. Yabo. Ayi, fike ngingene la kwi-audition room, nangu lo mjingo. Thusana ukubona uMandla. Yena ile awuthi iHoodman into yabo, ngijabulile ngiyabona ukuthi hayi ziyakhala-ke manje. Hayi ntwana yami ungiphatheleni athi hayi. Ngakushayela imonologue futhi athi ayishaye. And then athi awungidlalele engazuthi uncendi yakhe oyithandayo yabo. Ngimdlalele yabo. Ayancane nakhona emva kwaloko kubile yonto ukuthi sekuyaphunywa-ke manje kuyaguduka kukhala iy'cabha zey'moto kuvayo yabo. I-stress sekuwukuthi angazi ngizogibelelaphi. Ngiyangithola. Kodwa-ke ngihamba ngibuza ngaleyo ndlela ngaze ngabuyela khona ePretoria.
So where did you get the money from Durban to Bryanston?
I got it from omunye umama odayisa ibhiya ngasekhaya.
Okay.
Ya ngaboleka kuye lowo mama. Then ngagibela ngaya khona. Mengifika la eJozi i-action wafika wangigcwalisela ukuthi ngithole inyoka yokuthi ngivaye ngeBryanston.
So the mother gave you the money from Durban to Johannesburg on a shelter lapha.
Yeah.
And then your friend assisted you with the money to Bryanston.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now after the call back, I have to go back to shelter yabo. Ngihambe ngibuza kanjalo ngize ngiyithole indawo yabo. Ngiyithole kanjalo ngize ngifike khona, ngifike late futhi nakhona. Mengifika ngidlulise like 2-3 days. Ngihleli khona ePretoria, akho message, akho next. Uthule. Engitshela u-action ngithi hayi eshandisa isipani ngibuyele ekhaya mina. Because manje ngiyabuka ukuthi negawulo kuyahlanganisa ukuthi
you'll be bothering people.
Kuyahlupha manje uyabona leyo nto. And ngapha akumelanga ulale flat, uncinke eduze kwesikhwama sakho sibaningi la. Ngitshele lo mjita ukuthi ngibuyele eThekwini mina. Athi hayi linda kancane, hayi ngibuyele eThekwini kusasekuseni. Ayifuna ukugibela ebusuku ibhasi lasebusuku yabo. Ngigibele, mengigibela ngisuke lapho ngivaye eMontrose, halfway to Durban yangena imessage. Montrose.
Oh, you went back to Durban?
I was going back to Durban.
You were going back. Then at Montrose, you receive a call.
I receive a call. Ukuthi sicela ubuye uze setini kusasa uyashutha. Just imagine kumele ngigxume ebhasini ngehle eMontrose. Ngilinde ibhasi elibuyela eThekwini eJozi. Ngehle ibhasi ngicabange kaningi ngenzenani kumele ngicabange fast yabo. Ngehle ebhasini, mengehle ebhasini abuze lo driver athi uzogibela ngibuyele emuva. Ngithe ngizozibona yabo. Ngigxume. Uqhamuka ibhasi iGreyhound yayibuyela eJozi. Behla abantu bayochama ngilinde udriver ukuthi ehle last ngihambe ngeke. Yazi ngenza into kanje. Nayi message bengiyele for i-call back kanti i-audition kanje ngathola i-call back manje sebengiqashile la. Mafilimu kanjani. Mara ayivumelekanga lento ithikithi uthenga le station. Yabona manje uzongilahlekisa ngomsebenzi. Ngicela ngicela ungimise-ke at least yabo.
Yeah.
Athi awume kancane. Ngiyabuya. Ayibuye ibrazi iphethe iphayi nekhenye coke la. Ithi ungakwazi ukungena la kuhlala khona ama-luggage. Ngithi no yabo at that point angifune kuzwa lutho.
Yeah, you just want to be there.
Ngiyibona i-email with Black Brain Pictures, casted as Herbert, contract, it's a full year season 1 deep seat. Bangena abantu. Lo mjita ngene ekugcineni. Ngathi sengikhohliwa ngibuke so uyabona isicabha sebhasi ukuthi uzivala sithi. Yaphinda sivula. Ehlike ngaleze ngalafi ngivulele la ngene kunesponge futhi. Kona nenye out I think bashintshana nayo ngokudrive izilalele nje icipha zifuna. Ngingena angibona ukuthi akunomuntu aziyasha. I was so shocked ukuthi abantu bayangena la. Yabo ayifike singene la sirelate ayixoxele nale awusifike futhi ePark Station ngehla mengehla ngibuyele ku-action athi awusula futhi awugoduke ethi baba faka umsindo wena yabo asirelax kancane kusasekuseni o7 yakhona kusasekuseni sivaye esedini sethi yakhona esedeep salute bathi angize deep salute mall. I've never been to deep salute before. Udrive uzopick up khona ayingifika khona ke bafike bangincoke sivaye esethini yaphithizela esethini how you doing sir? My name is Fusiso First AD. Usushitile for wardrobe yakwaza ngala i-contract yakho buya la ngala i-makeup yenzile impahla zakho okay yabo kuphithizela nangila umjida uMandla angiqhawule ntwana ugrand angishaphe yabo ayishuthe kube grand kube mnandi kube nje suke lapho now we need to go back. Qedi ukushuta manje kusegriphiwe hamba wonke umuntu uyagoduka imvula iyaguqubala imvula la yasho phume wonke umuntu sashutela kwesinye isikole eDeep Salute first episode shutela kwesinye isikole eDeep Salute umuntu waphuma ngancino it was uButmandla Mandla yena sintwana uGrand ithi yangishaya yasaba ukusho ukuthi angikho shapa ngizoluza isibani nayindawo ukulala nayindawo ukulala ngake ngezwe inyembezi sihlengezela amehlo khona ngiyazwa ngicabanga eThekwini ukuthi ikude angikazi umuntu la yabo ifoni kwayona isicimile lokuthi ngifonele uAction lo action loyo bear in mind ukuthi kwakhona la petrol kuhlupha ugesi ngishiya ifoni yakhe ingachajwa yabo ngithi hayi ngishapa asho ayimindlozi atshele isecurity livala igate esikoleni ayihambi crew ihambi unithi gang yama grips nani ngisale ngile ngiphethe isikhwama umjida khona bathi Warren uhamba ngeveni letha ama extra i-background sponsor sakhe yabo uma extra hlala around Deep Salute layout numelela ithi yazi ngisafuna ama-tax yabo nayo ngiyayigoqa ngize ngibone ukuthi kuyigoqa kwamakusisi nangoku umuntu engakhuluma kuyo yabo ngithi mina yazi kahle into eyenzakalayo la manje anginayo indawo ukuthi ngifihle ikhanda ngena ngala sokhuluma endlini wahleveni hlena ama-extra hamba wadeliver nga-1 emakhaya nga-1 ngize ngisale egcineni sifike kubo lo mjidi uhlala kubo kuphithizela umndeni wakhe yonke into oledi namapiti yabo ne-language barrier angimuzwa angibezwa bonke labantu yabo kodwa abantu bayadlwa kana yacha yini acha Warren yile ligawulu angizokwenza igawulu engishaya igawulu angibize lo mjidi yabo sibuye late nakhona esetini yabo sekulate sekuyolalwa ke sisale soba yi2 esithi ngo athe bra wami yazi ukuthi istory sakho soba kusikhulu kangakanani irole yakho la kule show ethi baba mina ngine-file yonke yabo la ma-file athola ama-production athi sengifunde yonke la things wena mfethu uzojola noNoxy uzovula ispaza mfethu la mfethu udlala ilidi bra wami yabo so usazoba grand ungabuyele eThekwini lo mjida ngikhanyisela and then man the rest was history
Okay, so there's always angels in the world. A journey of a star. So you've spent how many days with that guy?
I spent because I started appearing on episode 11 and it's a telenovela. Khona la isikhathi iqala ishow ngingaveli at all. So that means nanokuqala ukushuta kahle program ngingashuthi at all yabo. So ngihleli kulo muzi lo bayaxakeka phela ukuthi hawo
What's happening?
Layout yavuka ikuthosa amaqanda isana ishaya ubhekuli ishaya idrink ziyalala iyavuka baxaye ukuthi hayi ukwenzakalani Warren uthi Warren imani. So I think Warren, man, that guy angisiza kakhulu. So until
then you got paid
while I was
first month, You were paid monthly.
I was in a call. So
you were a
I
call
got
actor.
paid for that one call yasesikoleni.
Oh, you were a call actor.
I was a call actor.
Oh.
I was a call actor. So ayingibhadalwe le mali lena engiboni ukuthi
Kumele ubalance lana namaqanda
owadlile lana futhi and kudala ngivayile edladleni. Kudala ngivayile edladleni nasedladleni phela kumele ngibuye avele ngayisplitha ngathi yazini lelo senti lelo lisho something edladleni bazosithola leso sinto esincane yabo. Ngala ngithenge lo maqandanyana ukuthi kubonakala.
So na 2 families now.
Sengina 2. I have 3.
Actually 3.
Because nakubo kwe-time kumele ngibhekelele.
Timer, lady, la ufikele khona, leya out yasingase
MTN.
Yo.
First month, I got paid for one call.
Nice.
And I was like, yeah, angiyiboni ke. Leyo first month bengithi ngizopopa ngihambe ngiyofuna indawo same time.
Nice.
Wareni angicuke angifunele enye room la eduze kwami.
Oh khona ngala.
eDeepsloot. Ngidonsa ngendlela bathi ungaphumi la. Late ziyabuya la eDeepsloot. Yabo ziyakhala engihlale la yabo. Adlula nje isikhathi ngaqala ngashuta. So what the production did is they bought a studio back in Koku eRamsey. And then because bebengashuthi grand
all the time.
But in Koku eRamsey. And then ke ngaqala ngashuta nje grand khona.
Yeah. Then from Warren, where did you live?
From Warren ngawuhlala eRamsey.
Oh, they are on set.
No, opposite nasesetini. Hlukanisa umgaqo. It was a student accommodation.
Oh, student accommodation.
Yeah, shuthi leli India leli la ishintsha la yenza indawo yokuqasha abantu yabo. Amaroom amancane uyabona ukuthi kahlala ingane ama-single.
Yeah, yokuthi ulale.
Afuna ukuthi kusherishwa amashawa nekhishi yabo ukuthi ulale. Isenkomponi. Sonke iTV sibuka sibaningi.
TV 1, toilet nigeze endaweni eyi-1. A room you go there by sleeping.
Lokho room lakho uzela esipanini uyabuya ngifundela iscript ngihlalele kwi-single bed awungeni after 10 lapha yalela ndiya street yabo yonke nje into iqhubeka.
So your parents were never angry when you quit work for acting, but which is what you studied for anyway?
Yeah, just to add on that, they were not that angry, but kodwa bebengakholeli ukuthi lento engiyenzayo izosibona.
They had doubts,
especially ubhuti wami omdala uyi-architect uyizindlu, professional architect u-Andile Ndlovu igama lakhe.
Okay.
So esikoleni bengenza civil engineering ne-EGD bengidweba nginamanje i-house plan ngakhiphela yona nje.
But at tertiary you did arts.
At tertiary I did arts nakhona kwabukuzukuzuku. Because especially in Brazil.
Which one do you love between acting and architectural?
I love acting so much.
Oh, you love acting.
I love acting so much.
Don't you feel sometimes what you love the most, it is what don't like you? Have you never come across that feeling? Things that we love are not the things that loves us back.
Yeah, that's true. Sometimes kuyavela. Uyabona, kuyavela. Uthola ukuthi umuntu uthanda ukucula kodwa mawusuthi uthatha ukubheka.
It doesn't work.
It doesn't work, yabona. Uthola ukuthi as for me, mina ngifunda grade 8. There was a mobile truck that came to school from Playhouse Company. Unamachite ezodlala play. Bebethi just dance. They yasejele. Sibadala ama-2 yabo. Angihleli so.
You on the front row.
Ubona kahle ngingaphazamiseki.
Front row kid.
Afuna ukubona kahle ukuthi engayibuka lento ngayincane. Luckily one of those guys bengisebenza naye uShaka.
Yeah.
engifuna ukuyibuka kahle lento. So as ngikhuphuka ngama-grade I reached grade 11 senza lento ekuthiwa ama-oral eclass.
Yeah.
So sidlala nga-2, udlala nomuntu ohlala naye edeskini doing a dialogue, yabo. Ngibizwa omunye umem lo besenzisa writings. Athi akhona cela ungibone mekuphuma eclass. Athi yini ufuna ukuyenza? Ngithi mina hayi angithi manje ngi-influenced ibrazi endlini yabo ifuna ngisheshe ngiqede ngifake la kwi-engineering. Ngishaya i-civil.
And there's too much money.
There's too much money. Ngifuna ukuba kwi-corporate. Athi mina ngibona i-artist la, ngibona i-actor.
Umem lo.
Kusho umem. Lo mem angaze ngikhohle namanje. Athi yabo nje ngibona grade 11 next day wenza umatric, uphuma la, mina I would suggest you ukuthi uhambe ukwenza idrama. Yabo. Ithi ngayenza khona DUT, Durban University of Technology, khona ama-private school. Yabona into yenze la, ngakubuza noma yiphi ingane la eclassini. Yabo. It was so convincing and believable. Yabo. Shuthi yena wayibona le yanto, and then ngase ngiyaqhathanisa nami nalamajitani ukufika la escale and ngiyayithanda le nto yabo. Unfortunately la esikoleni idrama ayikho. Yabo.
So what was the response of your employers, the Indian guys, when you quit work?
Which the
shop, the restaurant,
oh,
where you were working? I mean, you've quit.
I left there ngatshelanga muntu.
Oh, you didn't say any word.
Angihambi sokwela ushading.
Yeah. Okay. Deep City. That's where I saw you. Yeah. I think Deep City was fresh and new. Yes, Deep City, Mandla End. We see new actors there in the industry. Did you have fun?
Too much. I had a lot of fun, but ngiqala ukusebenza kuye kwaba nzima. When I put Israeli, kuye kwaba umshika kakhulu. Just imagine I'm playing for that camera and enjoying theater. And my fellow colleague, Ila, kumele ngideliver nawe while ngidlalela for leya camera le. Inkabi yami vele ikhuluma izikhulumi. So no, play for that camera. So bekumsebenzi yabona. But as isikhathi sihambe ngiyamemeza uyabona. Man umuntu la ngikhohlana nokuthi simayikiwe la yabo akukho ekhanda ngaza ngiunderstand. Ngifuna uku-acta. Ngifuna ukuvela ukuthi nje I'm tensed. Buso buqinile ngenzela show yabo.
Yeah, so as you are at Durban Nights, you're working at Deep City with Gautengers. You never felt low with your accent amongst other actors?
No, I don't think so, because the other actors ebesebenza nawo abantu esifike vele, I think bekuyi-stepping stone sethu.
Okay.
Esafika umkanye.
It was a breakthrough.
Yeah. I-majority yabo abantu ababengakazi babe-TV.
Yeah.
Yabo. Kuyilabo nalabo ke and besibuza futhi.
Okay, so you've spent a year. You've worked for a year.
I worked for a year.
Go Deep City.
Yeah.
And then what did you achieve in that year with the money that you were paid?
With the money that I was paid, what I achieved is I think I was able to send money at home.
Yeah.
Because mina ayikho into engijabulisa njengokuthi ngizizwe nami kukhona into engicontribute ekhaya. Because bear in mind ekhaya akunamo yabo kunodade wethu osisibami yabo.
How many are you? In your mother and your father?
Okay.
Your sisters and brothers?
Umama mi sibayi-5.
Okay.
Amantombazana ayi-3, amajita ayi-2.
Who's the breadwinner?
The breadwinner, I think
your brother or all of you?
I think 3 of them.
3 of them?
Yeah, 3 of them. 2
so
of them,
why there was so much pressure that you must give them money? You must send money.
No, I think it came from the heart.
Or you do it because you want to do it.
Yeah, it came from
Not because they were in need of money.
No.
They will survive
There was
without
no
you.
pressure.
There was no pressure.
Yeah, because they even used to call me bangitshela ukuthi hayi if kunga kanje relax.
Okay.
Yeah, well,
You had good parents.
yeah, I had good parents.
And then, how did the fame treated you when you started being famous on Deep City? People on the streets. Now you're on TV now. They see the TV in Devon. They see the TV at the restaurant. Your schoolmates, family members. What was the response?
I still remember I started appearing on episode 89. Bengisendleleni ebuya eLimpopo. Ngangiphelezele lo mjito wareni. Ngivakashile ku.
Okay.
Ama-calls nani angena ku Facebook. Hey, akhona. Hey, dala ifuna lento. Hey, kungena nje ama-message, everything yabona. Hey, angifuni uqamba amanga bekuthusa. Ekwakuningi kakhulu. It was my first time ngibona i-inbox yami on Facebook and Instagram. Ngibone 99 yabo 99 messages nama-text yabo. Noma ngiqhamuka nje, there was a shopping center la bengihlala khona eduze waseRemseg bathi seFeatherbrook. Noma ngingena nje shopping center ngithi ngizocosha lo mathini lawo yabo ukuthi ngikwazi ukuyobheka endlini yabo. Hayi ububona ukuthi kuyathusa yabo. Hey, umuntu kaNoxi nani ukuphi Noxi.
So the Remseg you're talking about is the Remseg of the top celebrities.
Remseg.
Yeah. Have you come across celebrities that live there?
Yeah, I used to see abo Mamkhoni igengele bishutha with the Queen. Ebane bashuthela ngakhona.
Oh, they have the studios there.
They have the studios there.
And then people who live there. Yeah, I heard it was so easy. They live there.
DJ Tira. Yeah. Nalabo nje, but mostly ama actors.
Okay.
Yeah. Nakhona bengingena umuntu ocaluzayo ukuthi nje ngiyele khona ngiyele endlini yabo. Nejuza ngakalazi kahle. Safuna nje ukuthi nje qondisini safuna ukuqinisa kakhulu esipanini.
I think Deep City has created a stability for you.
Too much.
To be a bit comfortable in Johannesburg.
Too much.
So after Deep City, what was the next project?
So after Deep City, while I was in Deep City, there is a friend of mine, bambiza ngoThobani Zuza. Thobani. He was like, Wendlovu, awutholi agent. In fact, i-agent ungitshele sebenza kanjani mfethu ngoba manje phela lo muntu uzongithathela imali yami mina ngiyasipana la. Baba la ngeke uzusipana nomphela uthola i-agent yabo. Engiyithola i-agent yakhona iMedia. Brian angithinta siqhuma neGrand. And then qala ngisendela ama-self-tape yabo. Angijwayelanga ukuthiwa i-self-tape mina lento ku-audition ufakile ntunja ku-ring light uthola umuntu ozogridela yabona. Ngifuna ukuthi ngathi ngi-audition phambi komuntu ngixoxela istory asizwe yabo. Ngiyishaya le self-tape athi ishaka ilenge sizingane yabo. Badinga usenza ngakhona yabo. Engiyishaya awudlulanga u3 days yabo. Bathi uBrian hey bafuna ukukubona eBhoma yabo. Engaskipsini wants to see you. Ngithi hey madoda eziyabona.
Udlala ubaba kaShaka.
Ngidlala ubaba kaShaka.
Usenza
ngakhona. Hey ngifike lapha mengifika I think I was playing along Lungelo Mpangasi.
Yeah, Lungelo Mpangasi.
Lungelo Mpangasi. She was portraying uNandi.
Okay.
She was portraying uNandi. Sidlalisane kamnandi sitholane nje sizwane ngoba ngkhaya.
How did you become Senza ngakhona of a light skin and your son Shaka Zulu is dark?
I couldn't understand, trust me, but mengiyenza okay abuyele kumina uEngasathi hayi umncane ubuke
Yeah.
kumncane futhi senza ngakhona yabo. Just imagine I had to portray ubaba kaLemo
And Lemo looks older than you.
and Lemo looks older than me.
Yeah.
So he was like, no, I think you'll play Phakathwayo. And then we'll do Senzo Radebe, Senza Ngakhona. So kwabile leyo nto.
Oh, then you've played Phakathwayo.
I played Phakathwayo.
Who was Phakathwayo?
Phakathwayo elinye iqhawe.
He's within the kingdom of the Zulu.
He's within the kingdom of KwaQwabi, esigodini sakuQwabi, eMthandeni. So kahle kahle uPhakathwayo wakhula noShaka. But ekukhuleni kwabo kanje, you know, menikhula niyabafana abancane ungamthandisisi lo. Mtshela umhlokolozi. He was more of a villain kodwa besabancane. Noma semdala since we were shooting our season 2 and now okunye nokunye abantu podcast bazokubona.
Oh, so you did season 1 Shaka Zulu Ilembe.
Yeah.
Shaka Ilembe. Now you're doing season 2.
Yeah.
How did you land at Nikiwe?
Nikiwe was a very tough cave for me. I don't wanna lie, because I still remember I still remember when I did the audition for Nikiwe. That role was supposed to be uSibusiso, not uMsika. Was supposed to be uSibusiso usuka kwaMhlanga uyaLingana. Yabo. So I think they casted.
So that Sibusiso was still the member of the family, that world.
Yeah, Sibusiso was uMsika.
Okay.
Basically, he was Zulu.
Okay.
So they casted me for Sibusiso, and then umamami bekuzoba uAyanda Burotho. I think Biake's wife from Isibaya.
Okay.
Yeah. So angazi kwaba nama changes mengizwa from the office ukuthi the character or channel ifuna amaXhosa kwishow.
Onzulu afune
Senkastiwe la and ngiyabona ukuthi yabona la.
Oh yeah, I remember because
kwaba buhlungu kanjani inhliziyo yami yaba buhlungu man. Athi uBrian bakubiza for iCallback. Mengithi ngiyafika kwiCallback gcwele amaXhosa wodwa.
Yathethwa.
Siba 11 12 khona uAyanda Dawid from iScandal. Ngolo tata uyaphila tata. Utata uzela insini. Yabona uzusha uvala ungakangeni ubone ukuthi ayayikho letekisi lela uvele ngijike straight yabo.
Yeah.
Engifonela iagent yami ngithi I don't think I can do this. Ngisho ngithi hayi. Engithathe ihard copy lapha iside ngiphumela eminyango yabo relax kancane ngiphuza amanzi ngifunde lento ngizama ukuyitranslate yabo. I-translate ngifonela enye out yami abathi uThamsanqa. He's a Xhosa. Ngitranslate yabo ngishaye fast. Kuthiwa who's next? Akhona ingene mengithi ngiyafica la khona uKhulumane uPula Thomas Gumede no Emily. Ayingene la. Ngishaya ngeconfidence yabona. Angifuni ukujumpisa indawo yesiXhosa angisipani. Sesiqedile ukushutha uShaka season 1. Angisipani. Ngiye ngahlala ngasipani yabo. Engishaya ngeconfidence yabona. Ngishaya angayisinayo. Sefuna ukungitesta manje ukuthi ngempela isiXhosa siyavuka yini. Athi awubeka iscript eceleni nothi kugayisinayo. Ngifuna la ukuthi ukhalele isigriza sakho usitshele ukuthi ufuna izinto ze-time and why time lakho belikufihla yabo. Emotional scenes ke I think ila uNkulunkulu angibusisa khona. I'm not good with comedy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You're a serious guy.
I'm a drama actor yabo. Ngisho ukuthi bashentweni. Engishaya la lenzi ngangibeka ispoti la khona lesihlala la kwi-audition room yasibole sesihlala lapha ngomnyango.
Yeah.
Ngisibeka ispoti sami ngithatha ispoti ngisifake ngithi ngiyabonga vula isicapha ngivula isicapha ngiphuma athi lo mjidoza la imali if you can rate your Xhosa out of 10, ungayinika ba? To be honest, 5 noma 6. That time ngifunda isiXhosa. November 2022.
Yeah.
That time ngifunda isiXhosa. Yeah. Iyona into engakutshela yona ngisifunda. Yabo uphume ngiyofaya.
Then on Nikiwe we worked for a year.
Yeah, we were there for the year.
And then it was shut down.
It was shut down.
How did you felt about it? When they say this thing it's been cancelled.
I cried.
No reason why it was cancelled. All of a sudden, shut down.
I cried.
You cried?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I believe a lot of people have complained. I think it was shut down in November, towards December. Where people were looking for bonus to have money for December.
Yo.
Then it was cancelled.
That was hectic, man.
Yeah?
Too much. Alimaza abantu abaningi le nto kakhulu. In terms of rent nokuya emakhaya. Because I still remember ngangihesitate ukuya ekhaya ngicabanga ukuthi kade ngihlela unyaka wonke. Ngiyofika ekhaya ngefestive ngisizandla nje so yabona. Elanto ababhlungu kakhulu and sasingayilindelanga yabo. But ke izinto ezenzakalayo.
Yeah, then it was Nikiwe. And then it was shut down. And then how long did you stay without work? And then how did you survive?
I stayed for like 10, 11 months.
Without work?
Without work. But in that 11 months, 10 months, I'm a stage plays. I'm a call and file my proposal. You're not I write plays.
Oh, you're a playwright.
Yeah, I'm a playwright.
Then you go to schools.
I go to schools.
You showcase the talent there. Kids pay money.
Khuluma nje nothisha sizofika la sizoperform iplay inama-costume lapha endlini yabo ngithatha amajita afuna uku-actor ngiyawaqoqa ngiwagayima siyarehesa ngayi-costume siyavaya ngibhukhe i-Uber enkulu noma imoto ngibiza u-driver yami sithathe sise esikoleni sifike siperforme siqeda ukuperforma I'm doing Q's and A's.
Yeah, question and answer.
Ufundeni wenzeni uyibone kanjani iplay nani kube mnandi yabo sole lewo amasenti sustain irent uyakwazi ukwenza into zakho unika ama-out ahaye nawo yabo.
Self-employed.
Self-employed.
Have you been to awards?
Awards. SAFTAs, no, I've never been to SAFTAs. I've been to royalty.
Oh, you've been to royalty?
Royalty Soapy Awards. I've been there because I was nominated.
Oh, you were nominated for Best Actor?
For Best Couple on Screen. Hamilton Knox on Deep Sea.
Best Couple on Screen. Did you win the award?
No, unfortunately, no.
How do you see the awards?
In terms of?
In terms of the way they function. Do you like the awards?
I'm not a fan of awards. Because ekugcineni uyayithola that ngihlale ku-room divide, uhlale ungenaspan, uhleli nayo igqoloze lesongo amehlo, ungasebenzi, yabo. And nanokuthi awabhadali futhi, yabo. So, because ngokwabuka, I was watching ama-SAFTA. Anyway, congratulations on the SAFTA Awards.
No, thank you.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Nginokwabuka ngibone ukuthi ngibuke ama-nominees mase ngiyabuka ukuthi okay itholwa ubani, but ngiziquestione mina ukuthi but how kanje yabo. But so ngaze ngagcina nga-understand ukuthi as long as ngixoxa story mina ngendlela ekholakalayo ne-convince.
There's no money for the winners on the awards. But have you realized that there are people who are getting money in the awards?
Serious?
Sound system is getting paid. Catering, you can't eat for free. The stage, the decor, maybe there will be a performer there.
Who's getting paid as well?
Yes. the performer will be a musician, or they will be a comedian. But the people that other people came for on the awards, they just come back with a trophy without any money. Maybe that's why you don't like the awards.
It's so painful. I mean, I regret.
But do you look forward to win an award one day?
Yeah.
When you act, when you work for the award.
When I work?
Yeah.
No, I work to tell a story.
Or you work to tell a story?
To tell a story, to serve the scene, to serve the purpose of the character, to serve the episode, the whole project. Story.
Have you met the rich actor in the country?
A rich actor?
Yes.
No.
How does it sit with you? There is rich musicians, isn't it?
Yeah.
There is rich piano artist. Have you named one richest actor in the country
that I've met?
Yes. Or maybe they not even about meeting. According to you, who's an actor that inspire you economically? Whom you believe, this one financially is doing well, or she's doing well?
I believe it's you.
Me?
It's you. It's funny now. Being rich, it's I believe that uba rich akumelanga ukuthi ube nebhano elipakela ngaphandle.
Yeah.
Yabo?
No, that's being wealthy.
That's being wealthy.
Yeah, but
rich, it's you to afford.
Yeah.
Ukwazi ukuthi okay. Kusasekuseni ngizokwazi ukuthi ngivuke ekseni ngiyothenga isimo.
Yeah.
Yabo? Ngiya-afforda ngi-grand. Besides nginamanye ama streams of income eceleni enginawo, yabo.
You know why I raised this question? It's very important. We need to talk about money.
So much.
We need to talk about money. Because if you don't talk about money, then what's the purpose of doing what we are doing? Because the productions, the producers, people who own the industry have money. Don't you want to see yourself driving a C63 one day?
So much.
You don't want a mansion. You don't want a house that has a swimming pool.
Yeah.
You don't want to wear Louis Vuitton, Gucci. Don't you want to drink expensive? You want to be a poor actor. If I have to ask you, your destination, what will be your destination? If you're going to say, Mama, I've made it.
My destination was born the owner, my own production house.
Okay.
Give me ngihleli phansi ngizizosila ukuthi laphelile manje yabo. Because I also love directing as well. Ngifike esethini, ngifike ngidirect ngesikhathi engifuna ukudirecta ngaso, ngibe ne-production house ethi mina.
Why it seems like all actors in the industry, their destination is to have a production? Don't you have other things maybe you want to own aside of entertainment?
Aside of entertainment.
Let's say now you are a brand.
Yeah.
Now you are a big brand. Now you are known by cats and dogs.
Yeah.
Everybody knows you.
Yeah.
Worldwide.
Yeah.
How would you like to utilize your brand to put you on another level of life?
In what sense?
In the sense of, being a brand, maybe you can adventure into mining. Don't you think mining, or maybe to have trucks, or own a restaurant? As you've got skills for restaurant, you can do burgers and chips. So maybe one day you must own a restaurant.
What I can invest in, Awona umbuzo wakho ngiyawuthola man. What I can invest in, it's property.
Yeah.
Property, yabo. I don't care as long as ngikwazi ukuthi ngi-afford ngithenga istand.
Yeah.
Ngibuy itende.
Yeah.
Ngibuy inezi.
Yeah.
Ngifaka ama-guest house.
Mhm.
Because I was thinking to myself, I always think to myself, bangaki abantu ababhukayo.
Yeah.
There was this guest house esayibhuka namajitami yabo
Yeah.
for one night. I-guest house yakhona ibe inkulu ivulekile inama-room. So for one night it was like 3.5.
Okay.
So
Property investment.
property investment.
So Brother Enigma said all the motels and the guest house has to be converted. That's evil. That's demon. Because it allows people to cheat. What's your take on that?
But it also allow people to be breadwinners. Bakwazi ukuthi bondle imndeni. But to cheat kanjani? Because
motels, hotels, guest houses give cheaters an access. Have you listened to Brother Enigma?
I have listened to him.
What's your take on that? When you listen to that man, what comes into your mind? I mean, we have a right to talk about everyone, as he also has a right to talk about everyone.
I believe ukuthi umuntu angimjudge. Umuntu ukholelwa kwinto afuna ukukholelwa kuyo.
Okay, what is your spiritual stand?
My spiritual stand.
Strength. Yes.
I'm a good Israeli. I believe in God.
Oh, you believe in God?
I believe in God. The reason why I believe in God, I can do a quick example for you.
Yeah.
Sometimes, yazi, uyitshela amajita lento ukuthi unokusuka esipanini uthola ukuthi ugawulekile ujaha endlini ukuthi ufike upheke, yabo. Mhlambe kule era le load shedding, yabo. Uthe inkosi yami ngiyathandaza ngathi ugesi ngawufica ukhona ngifike ngikwazi ukushaya ibhodi fasting ngidle. Uthi ungena nje ngomnyango uthi qhafa ukukhanya ugesi. Those small things zikhombisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyaphila. Ukubona emusa uzokuba necar accident. Imoto ithi bip. Ingakathi pa. Khona the slightest.
Yeah, but if I have to challenge you, we believe in God because we are told about God.
Yeah, we were.
Yeah, you were told about God by your parents.
Yes.
At school, in church.
Yeah, that's true. But it's up to you now, ukuthi ukwenza kanjani ukuthi umuntu.
No, you won't have a choice because you were told about God. But there's God in life. There's God. If we have problems, we need to bow, close our eyes, and talk to God. But do you believe if we were not told about God, we will be believing in God?
I don't think so, because you cannot believe in something ungayazi uzwe ngayo.
But we were never given a chance to find our own beliefs.
We were never given a chance.
You are born, you come into this world, you are baptized in the name of Jesus Christ. You are told about Him. You are taken to church by your granny. Are we together?
Yes, we are together. Because I cannot say ingane meqeda kuzalwa yakhuliswa isayincane. Isayincane nje uyayiqeqesha ukuthi okay. Yini lena nana? Inkomishi. Yini? Inkomishi. Ezikhula. Yabona ezikhula iyazi ukuthi okay. Ikhafu le inkomishi. Yabo. So izokwazi ukuthi izothi mesindala izokwazi ukuthi itshela ingane yakhe, atshela ingane yakhe nayo ukuthi cela uyongithathela inkomi afundise ingane yakhe nesizukulwane sayo sizokwazi ukuthi inkomishi. So mina I also believe ngeke ngize ngisho ukuthi uqamba amanga namasiphosiso umuntu omdala kodwa ngingasho ngithi uqinisile ukuthi we believe in God because satshelwa ngaye sakhuliswa ngaye yabo abazali bethu besitshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu kanje, but now it's up to us ukuthi siyasustain yini ukubelieve.
No, we don't have a choice. We've been indoctrinated. We can't go back at this age and believe in something that we're never told about. It's like a colonization.
But some of people believe.
Ukona, is there any child who was baptized in the name of Satan?
No, I don't think so.
Is there any thug or any killer or any perpetrator when he was buried, being buried in the name of the devil?
No.
No matter how bad he was. No matter how bad you can kill people. When you die, you've been buried by a pastor. And the pastor will say this guy was a good guy. Yet you were killing people, you were raping people. We know people when you were still on existence, you were cruel. You were cruel, but when you get buried, no one will say you were cruel on the planet Earth.
Trust me.
So, no, I was just engaging in this conversation because we are all human beings. We need to participate, we need to engage. One way or the other, whether we engage or not, we are affected.
It is what it is.
It involves us.
Yeah.
Okay, future plans.
Future plans. What I'm planning, especially for where I come from.
Yeah.
In Kababa. Ngingasho nje ngithi eThekwini kunzima ukulowa apha kuleya ndawo.
But most of the Durbanites, they are making it in the industry.
They're making it in the industry here.
Or in Johannesburg.
In Johannesburg.
Oh.
A lot of actors from Durban, they're making it here.
Johannesburg, it's a destination.
It's yeah.
It's victory.
It's victory. Yabona. Ayingale kunzima kakhulu angifuni uqamba amanga. Yabona eclassini lami le-performing art. Mhlambe sibawu engangifunda nabo eclassini. Mhlambe siba yi2 siba yi3 a class of 30, 35, 40 wabantu abakwazile ukuthi bangene kwi-industry.
Mina ngiyi-1 and I come from Johannesburg, Alexandra Township. In my class, I'm the only actor, but my class has produced a soccer icon, Maimani Piri.
Oh wow.
We schooled together. Mara, I'm the only actor at school.
That's nice. Akunzima kakhulu, especially ngale.
No, I think it's difficult everywhere. It's not about where you come from. Look, we've got Presley Chwenya High, they come from Mafikeng, Maf Town. First time he acted, we brought an Oscar in the country. His first act. Here is Caspar Nyovest, is from Maf Town. Kulichana, Tuk Singanga, the late Double HP, Momulifi, the Morafe, the Batswanas.
Maf Town.
It's the Maf Towns. So sometimes it's not about where you come from. It's about what you dream about.
But also, which I believe in,
look, we've got Mbongi Ngema, the late. He's from Durban. Oleleti Kumalo, the Sarafina. I think the Sarafina, it's a Durban product.
Yeah.
Otumsan Dlamini.
Yeah.
Chester.
Otumsan Dlamini. Oh, he's from Durban as well.
I think so. I'm not sure. But I think so. Siyabonga Shibe, Fistos, Kazlam, Siyabonga Shibe is from Durban. Palace Gaza, Dumum Jali, Beli Mkwani. I think the Durbans are doing well. I went to Durban. There's a lot of festivals there, television festivals. Durban got their own festivals. Simon Sabela Mapuni.
Yeah, but ama-festivals akhona lapho ukuthi nje industry ihamba slow.
Oduma kaNdlovu. Bo madoda Ncayana.
Madoda Ncayana. Okambu uyasebenza naye.
I've been there. We as the people, we believe in God because I believe we're told about God.
Yes.
If we're never told about God, we wouldn't know God. We know God because our parents told us about God. When a child is born, there will be prayers. When a child is baptized, it's baptized in the name of Jesus Christ.
Yes.
We are religious people as Africans.
Yes.
I think we are number one in the world. We are the country that has received Christianism more than any other country. In other countries, you talk about Jesus, they kill you.
Yeah.
What's your take on that?
So, njengoba usushilo Khutmane, we believe in God just because abazali bethu they introduced us to God. But it's up to you ukuthi okay, sengichazelile ukuthi kunomuntu ekuthiwa uNkulunkulu. Sekukuwena ukuthi uyakholelwa yini ukukhula kwakho. Obviously when you still young uzothathwa uhamba umthetho wala ekhaya. Usukwazi ukuzumela. Sekukuwena ukuthi uyakholelwa yini kuNkulunkulu noma ukholelwa yini kuNkulunkulu.
Manje uhlala ungakholelwa kanjani sebakuncelisile yena. Sebakutshele ngaye.
Sebekuncelisile.
Yeah.
Uzokuphela sihlukene inkolo njengamanje. Yabo. Khona umuntu okholelwa uNkulunkulu, khona umuntu ongakholelwa uNkulunkulu, khona umuntu okholelwa inkonzo yakhe, maybe let's say Nazareth, that's
Do you believe in God?
I believe in God.
What makes you believe?
What makes me believe in God? Eziningi man izinto ezingenza ukuthi ngikholelwe uNkulunkulu.
Give us a picture.
Okay, let me do a quick example.
Yes.
A very short, slightest example. Ubone mawubuye eSpani. Yabo. Uthola ukuthi let's say ngale ikhathi zama load shedding, yabo. Siphila kule ikhathi zama load shedding kanje. Ufike endlini. Mawufika endlini uthandazela ukuthi ishingathi ugesi ngawufica ukhona ngikwazi ukupheka fast ngishaye ibhaba nyana yabo. Lo mkhule omncane usha ngenhliziyo. Uthi uyafika endlini uqhafaza ugesi uvela ukhaya. Ukwazi ukupheka even though approach a car accident. Ithi imoto bibi. Khona lo mkhuleko awuzu uvula umlomo khona lento ezenzakalelayo ukuthi uNkulunkulu wami kanye. Nkosi. Before even ecolosion yabo.
Yeah.
And vele uyabona uthola ukuthi kuzokwenzeka isiphithiphithi along the way.
Have you ever been in a situation whereby you become angry against God? You believe that no, man, God does not exist.
I have never questioned.
It's 12 months, I don't have work. Everything that I do doesn't go well. Have you ever doubted God?
No. Mina yazi I believe in day one. Ukuthi mayukuthi bekumele ukuthi ngithole something angayithola in that particular time. So it was not my time to shine. Even though ngiyitholile leyo nto ibizoba a blessing in disguise. Yabo. So ngiyabelieve ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzokunika into yakho ngesikhathi esiright. ungathandazela ukuthi uthole imoto manje uyirush manje ukuthi ngathi ngathola itrans nje ngithola iGTI noma iGolf 8 bani yabo kwazi ukuthi nje nami ngibonakale yabo ufoste ungasiyi timing yakho yabo thola usulimala sikulimaza nokukulimaza leyo trans yabo. So ngiyakholela ukuthi uNkulunkulu yonke into uyenza ngetiming yakhe. Khona into engeke ngisho ngithi noma ungafika e-airport 5 minutes late leyo seat yaleyo flight angeke izi occupy umuntu, angeke uze kuhlale umuntu
God will delay that plane.
Yeah. Mekuthi futhi kushiyile akekho umuntu ozohlala lapho, into yakho eyakho. Iyofika iflight le Egypt le phambili noma eLondon i-city empty. I-city bekuye yakho yabo.
That's how God works.
That's how God works. uNkulunkulu uyavela, uNkulunkulu uyazibonakalisa Israel.
So I come across other preachers or other talkers in the social media. They talk about faith and wisdom. When you pray, what do you pray for? You pray for money or you pray for wisdom?
I pray for wisdom.
What is wisdom?
Ukuhlakani. Thandazela ukuhlakani. Because ungathandazela imali egcineni la ukwazi nokuyisebenzisa. Yabo, ujahi work. Yabo.
Well, that's wisdom. Then what is faith?
Faith ithemba.
Eternal. And patience.
Patience.
That's faith.
That's faith.
Faith brings whatever that might come across you.
That might come across you.
It's faith.
Faith. Yazi ukuthi ngine-faith.
Should you faith, even if you don't have a gun, if you have faith, a gunman won't shoot you.
Because you have faith.
Because you have
even if he shoots you, you might not die. Because faith.
Yeah.
I'm talking about attending public auditions whereby 700 people, you don't have any agents. Umilayini ngangokusuka la audition ipanel la line engafika le kude. Uyazi kodwa ukuthi ine faith. Uyabona la ubhuti Israel bayadlula kwi-audition abami line bayangena nje ba-audition baphume. And mina ine faith ukuthi mengase ngitholele lithuba leli ngikwazi ukuzibonakalisa. That's faith. Yabo. That's where lento kaNkulunkulu ingena khona ukuthi mina ngoNkulunkulu wami abaqume baphalaze babe.
What was your first payment when you start working in acting?
My first payment, I was doing a background.
Yeah.
Ngiyibiza nge-background ngihloniphisa angisho ukuthi
extra.
Yabo.
Background artist.
Background artist, because there is no scene.
Background actor.
There is no scene without those people.
Yeah, no, I understand.
So my first payment bengishaye background actor. So la ama-100 sinikwa nge-envelope esandleni. Clipper. I-envelope ebrown. What's sangena eTaxini, sibukela itaxi sibanga sajabula. Sijabuliswa nje icruise namakhamera
ukuba there in that world.
Ngafika endlini ngafike ngathenga izinto eziwu-2, ngathenga i-airtime, ngathenga idatha.
Where do people find you?
They find me in all platforms. Official dots akhona. Yeah, Instagram official dots akhona, Facebook akhona Ndlovu. Yeah. For bookings as well, my email it's akhonandlovu10@gmail.com.
Message for the youth. You know, our country, more especially the youth, they've got too much problems in terms of drugs, crime, unemployment, low self-esteem, suicidal, depression, stress, corruption. So I make you a youth ambassador now. A leader for the youth. They look up to you. The platform is yours.
Brothers and sisters, into engayisho mina ezu Akhonandlovu osemncane untanga wakho nawe ungibhekile. Into engayisho mina ayikho into ebaluleke njengokuziphatha kahle, ukuzithanda, hard work, uzivikele, uvikele umzimba wakho because umzimba wakho ithempeli lakho, yabo. Akusizi awuthi yami ukuhamba ulala namantombazane amaningi kunama-soul ties la ngaphandle. Unezinto zakho zingahlangani, ushona le nale ngoba uhamba uzibopha nemimoya emibi. So into engayisho nje mina bafethu, sebenzani, nisebenze nenze sure ukuthi into yakho uyakholelwa kuyo. I don't care whether you are a visual artist, a musician, an actor, actress, anginandaba, a voice over artist. Le nto yakho uthi wena uyayazi, qinisekisa kuyona ukuthi uyayenzisisa, because one day, just imagine, you sleep, you die, siyangcwaba, ubona umphefumulo wakho ume phambi kwethuna lakho, ukhomba umzimba wakho uthi wena ungisebenzisanga. So sebenzisa le talent onalo bafethu, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Nani lapho enibheme isidakamizwa seSandown awuthi yami utsotsi, icrime ayiSandown. So nje ya nawe ushawa i-depression, akukhona ukuphela komhlaba, impilo iyaqhubeka. Baningi abantu abadlule kule nto odlula kuyona njengamanje, uzodlula futhi kade kwakudlula, kuyohlala kudlula. So ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyabonga futhi Israel.
Hayi, akhona Ndlovu ufana semzini khole kuwangamanda. Ya kakati ya one zote zao za mchilo zikuchimbile zao ngamanda. Subscribe, like, comment. Chipima Orange, the Ghetto Professor, King Mandamuni. I'm out.